YouTubers, and today I'm going to show you our shed where we are snacks, and this is our shed. So here we've got our stove, and here we've got our Bombay mix, and there we would have our drop scones. In here is a fleeced greenhouse that has got tomatoes and strawberries that will go bonkers because of the warmth. In here is my greenhouse where I sow my stuff. As you can see, I've got all my stuff for this year, and I've got all the tools. This is my patch. Right here, just there, is our whole allotment. Okay, I am now on the other allotment, and this is our fruit cage. This is our cherry tree, these are our raspberries, and these are our gooseberries, these are our red currants, and these are our black currants. And over on these benches are the stuff that is waiting to go out. And these. And then these are our peas. The hanging things. These broad beans we put in October, and the broad beans that are going in March are a lot smaller. Okay, now these are our parsnips over here, which are doing quite well. Have to be immaculate, but it gets a lot off it. Here is where we sow all our stuff that we germinate. So all this we're going to germinate. In here we grow our tomatoes, which will come in a little while. And we also have this, which has been going on for a long time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video, but if you don't, just don't worry.